Hi friends, myself Pranit Kumar from CSC department. Today I am here to share some few points about sports. Sports it is an activity that requires physical actions and skills where individuals or teams compete under a set of rules. There are different types of sports. Let's discuss some points about types of sports. Sports is classified into individual sports, dual sports, and team sports. Individual sports are played by one participant on each competing side. Dual sports are played by two competing pairs. Team sports are played by three or more players. What is the difference of individual or dual sports versus team sports? Individual sports foster a higher amount of discipline, self confidence, focus, and passion. Team sports many variables are considered to determine the success or failure of the team. It depends on the collective effort of all its players. Before going to know about individual and dual sports, let's see points about some important aspects to consider in learning a sport. History, court dimension or venue, equipment and gear, technical and tactical skills, rules of the game, officiating. These are some of the important aspects to considering learning a sport. Let us see some points about individual and dual sports. Table tennis. It needs grip, shake and grip, penhold grip. We should know about ready position, forehand and backhand, basic hitting, top spin serve, basic position forehand and backhand drive, forehand and backhand push. These are the main points to know about table tennis. And badminton. It also needs grip, ready position and footwork, serve. There are two types of serves, long serve and short serve, forehand and backhand, forehand and backhand clear, forehand and backhand drop, forehand and backhand smash. These are the main points to know in badminton. And let us see some sports in team sports. Basketball. It needs mainly footwork, pivoting, catching the ball, dribbling, passing, shooting, rebounding. And the another interesting sport is volleyball. It needs stance, service, tossing, passing or receiving, attaching, blocking, defensive skills, etc. Now let us see some points about technical skills. These are basic or fundamental skills needed to play the game. Examples of technical skills: in basketball, dribbling, passing, and shooting; in volleyball, ball reception, attacking or spiking, and setting. 5 steps in teaching tactical skills. We should discuss between the important decision, distancing the important decision, establishing essential knowledge for athletes, recognizing the signals in situations, giving appropriate tactical options, planning a practical game. These are the 5 main steps in teaching tactical skills. Tactical skills. There are decision making skills or strategies used in different situations during the game. A basic example is the use of quick pass and movement against a taller but slower opponent in basketball. The use of tactical decision during a game is called game sense. Now let us know about planning a practice game. Preparation or planning. We should set a date, time and duration of training practice. We should set some goals and we should practice for that goals. Equipment needed during training or practice. Training proper way. Warm up or stretching, teaching new skills, practice of previously taught skills, scrimmage or practice game, cool down and assessment. Now let us know about health related and skill related fitness in sports. or physical activity. Health related physical fitness are the aerobic capacity, muscular strength, muscular endurance, flexibility, and body composition of an individual. Skill related physical fitness, sometimes called sports fitness or motor fitness. One of the factors that influence skill related performance is heredity. However, most fitness skills can be developed and improved. In everything, there will be some safety measures. Now, let us see some safety measures to avoid unnecessary injuries in playing games or sports. Safety equipment, hydration, perform moderate intensity physical activity, weather condition. Okay, and thank you, my friends.